Okay, I want you to think about your paper as being a little bit like a tree. Hold on, let's see if I can get my pen to work here. Okay, now I want you to imagine that your topic is the trunk of the tree. In this case, let's say it is the Greek system, and sexual assault. Okay, now your themes, I want you to think of them as two big branches that are coming out of your trunk. And the first branch is your first theme. So let's say in this case, it's rape culture. And your second branch is your second theme. So let's say it's methods of perpetrators. Now, I want you to think of the findings as being the little twigs that come off of your branches. So let's say one finding a lot of people talk about is the objectification of women. And now imagine that authors 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, and 10 all talk about the objectification of women. Well, that tells you that in your theme 1 on rape culture, you will probably need at least one paragraph, maybe more, on the objectification of women. And when you talk about it, you're going to incorporate all of those authors that you have listed there. Even if they're just as in-text citations, you're going to have them listed there so we can see the convergence on the concept of the objectification of women. Now, let's say over here, another finding a lot of people are coming up with is alcohol facilitated rape. And let's say authors 2, 6, 8, and 10 all talk about alcohol facilitated rape when they're talking about the methods of perpetrators. That means you're going to have at least one paragraph on alcohol facilitated rape, and you're going to talk about authors 2, 6, 8, and 10. Again, you're going to talk about all of them, but maybe some of them are only going to be listed as in-text citations that help prove a point by another author. We saw that in our A papers. Go ahead and take a look if you don't remember. Okay, so when you're thinking about writing your paper, you might want to use a graphic organizer, something like this, to give you a sense of both of your themes and of your findings. And then you can almost see that those findings, they're almost looking more like little fruits hanging from your tree now, and you can use those to figure out which authors you're going to talk about and what your paragraphs are going to look like. Now I want to say one more thing. Look at your trunk for a minute. The trunk here is the Greek system and sexual assault. Since your trunk says Greek system and sexual assault, that's your topic. So that means it can't be any of your branches. You can't have a branch that says Greek system. You can't have a branch that says sexual assault. That's already your topic. You're using those ideas. In fact, every article you found is going to deal with those ideas because it's your topic. So if you use those as your themes, that would be a kind of cherry picking because you purposely went out and found articles on that topic. So your theme is going to be different from your topic. Okay, I hope that this helps. Good luck.